Introducing the RS4-480NBG series by Renesola, an epitome of innovation in high-efficiency solar modules. Harnessing N-type half-cut cells and bifacial dual glass technologies, this range exemplifies our commitment to clean energy and groundbreaking advancements, turning every sunbeam into sustainable power. With 5 models and a maximum output of 480 watts, this series caters to rooftops, commercial PV stations, ground power plants and more. Bifacial technology enhances energy production by capturing sunlight from both sides, while multi-bus bar technology with 16 bars minimises reflected sunlight, boosting overall efficiency. Combating high temperatures, our modules showcase an impressively low temperature coefficient of -0.29%, ensuring exceptional power generation. With a lasting performance, Grade A cells eliminate light-induced degradation concerns. A remarkable efficiency rate of 22.24% translates to more converted energy and lower bills. Incorporating a half-cut cell design, our modules excel in shaded areas. Tempered glass shields cells from harsh weather, and the anodized aluminium frame balances durability and lightness. An IP68 rated junction box offers top-tier protection against dust and water, ensuring stability and longevity. Backed by a 15-year product warranty and an equally impressive 30-year power warranty, this series embodies our confidence in quality. Renesola, established in 2005, is a global leader in renewable energy solutions, boasting 100+ patents and international certifications, offering end-to-end solar expertise.